Good morning, guys. Welcome back to a brand new buy or build video. Behind me we have the 2026 Futura Shiftr lowering trailer. This is Futura's latest release. It just came out earlier this year. Prior to these, they only made aluminum deck lowering trailers, but now they came out with a steel deck aluminum trailer at a much more attractive price point. I got in on the pre-orders. They were starting at 12,000 US. Now they are 13,000 US. However, I think the aluminum ones start around 16 or 17,000 US, and there are some add-ons that you can do which bumps up the price a little bit. I am in New York and I got this from a dealer in Virginia, Southwest Virginia. They do have some dealers now in the New Jersey, New York area, but I had a really good experience with Bob Huff Used Car and Trucks, or Mike Huff. He is the owner of the company that sells the Futura Shiftr and other Futura trailers. Very good to work with. They didn't add on any additional fees for assembly, for destination. I did have to pay for transport, which I met them halfway in Northern Virginia. So he charges $1.45 per mile each way. So depending how far you live, it could be a pretty good deal or not. When you place the pre-order on the Shiftr website, it will put you in touch with the dealer that is closest to you. I think you can also go directly to them and try to order it through them, but they might tell you to go to the Shiftr website to put in a pre-order because they're not really sitting on lots yet. They are made to order because the demand is definitely exceeding the supply right now. These come from New Zealand and it takes several months for them to prepare it, build it, to get it shipped, clear customs, go through the port, and all that good stuff. So without further ado, let's show you the trailer. I'm really excited. I have not used it for any purposes yet of trailering one of many cars that we have here, but I'm towing this with a 2024 Silverado 1500 with the 3.0 Duramax. And this trailer right now weighs about 2,200 pounds, probably a little bit more now that we have the rock guard and a winch and a spare tire. Here is a nice up close look of the Shiftr trailer on its own. As I said before, you can buy this in a bare bones spec, so that's not going to have a rock guard. It is also not going to have the winch. And this one also has a spare tire down there. So if you decide to buy just the base trailer, right now it's 13,000 starting, and you would have to also probably pay for transport. You also got to pay for DMV, tax, title, all that good stuff. So all in right now, if you were to spec this one out, the rock guard is $895, the winch is $495, and the spare tire I think is around $150. Don't take my word for that. I forgot what that one is. The solar panel box is included on all of the trailers because this is what's going to contain your hydraulics and your motor for everything. The power, the lights, everything is stored in that box. You can also put your straps in there as well. I opted to get the Shiftr tie-down straps, which are I think $245 for a set of 4. Depending who you buy from, they might give it to you for free. Really nice, high quality. I did not get the tire rack on this one. I didn't feel like spending the extra $18.95 at the time to get the tire rack, but I did ask the dealer, if you were to opt out of the rock guard, you're going to spend a lot more money in freight shipping if you were to order it at a later time. Because it comes from New Zealand, also it is a one big solid piece, whereas the tire rack comes and breaks down into smaller pieces, so you can ship that normally through like UPS. The finish on everything is really nice. The paint that they use on the steel deck, very thick, durable paint, and you can see it's even beating up some water. This one's pretty cool. Your license plate has a fold down. This is the similar design as the regular Futura, where you can push the plate out while you're loading your car so you don't hit it. and then you fold it back down when you're in transit, and it comes with this little push pin that you just stick back in like that and locks it in place. LED light for your license plate as well. Taking a look at the wheel setup, you've got some fenders. The fenders do not come down. They don't fold like some other trailers do, but in most cases when you open your car door, it actually will clear the fenders. Got some steel wheels, 5-bolt pattern. Got these long way tires, dated 2026 DOT, 195 R14. You even have some LED lights built into the top of the fenders. You got shifter right there on the frame. I like the rock guard because we are actually going to use it as an accessory wall mount for jack stands, for a floor jack, also for fuel jugs. It is really thick. Even double plate it here with the diamond plate for extra rock protection and rigidity. So this should be very strong for holding all of our accessories on the wall mount. The winch was an absolute no-brainer, I think, for $495. You just get it directly from Shiftr. That way everything is bolted up, secured nicely. You don't have to run any of the wiring on your own. And it's rated for 9,500 pounds. Really high quality cable right there. I'm super excited to be able to winch cars on and off, especially if they're not running, or if you have some suspension failure or whatever it might be. You can pull the car up onto the trailer on its own. Got my lock on here just in case. Of course, standard equipment. You have your breakaway switch as well. So the gross weight on this is 8,000 pounds, and the trailer weighs roughly 2,300 pounds right now in its current spec. So expect to be able to carry 5,700 pound cargo on here, which is going to be basically more than anything in this driveway, except for the truck. So let me open up this box and we'll show you how the trailer works. All right, now we open up our box and we've got some goodies in here. So got 2 batteries right here. Hydraulic system. Comes with a 110 volt power charger. Even comes with a torque wrench, so you can torque the lug nuts on your wheels. And here is the motor for running the winch and also for the trailer itself. So it's nice that you get the winch built in, because in the box you can see it's built into the motor. So it's definitely way better to do it from Shiftr than to retrofit one on your own. I'm sure you can, but it just won't be tied into the overall system, which is nice to have. You even get a nice Shiftr hat. Check that out. So to get this going, you flip on the master. 13.6 volts right now. So you can operate the trailer either with the buttons or you get a remote control. To turn it on, you hold both top buttons together until it flashes red. Like that. And now we are almost ready to lower the trailer. So to lower it, you actually have to release these safety pins. If you don't, the trailer is not going to lower. All right. Now, check it out. There you go. Now the trailer is lowered. You can see, look at that angle. I know we're off-road right now, but I'm sure 99% of cars can go over this on regular asphalt, and if not, you can get a little race ramp and cover the lip. You can see how the fenders roll down and get planted on the ground. Pretty sweet. Now, obviously, to go back up, hold the up button. Look how fast it goes. Okay, and that's it. Now she's fully back up. It even beeps as it's going down, like a reverse on a truck. Now back up. Now, finally, let's demonstrate the winch. But first, remember to lock your pins before you take off. That prevents your trailer from accidentally going down. There you go. On the button, you hold out. So the cable on this is really long. I'm sure it extends well past the length of the trailer, obviously, but got the nice cold forged hook, and you reel it back in. You click the in button. And there you have it. So guys, I know it's a very expensive trailer, but if you take your car to the track or you do a lot of hauling of low cars and you don't want to deal with ramps, I think this is the perfect trailer, perfect investment for you guys. So if you're willing to bite the bullet, pay the price, you can have yourself a very beautiful Futura Shiftr trailer. And if you care about the weight, you can obviously go to the regular Futura Super Sport and get yourself an aluminum trailer, which is probably 1,000 pounds lighter than this one. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll get you guys a towing video very soon.